2. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of making money online, maybe while you sleep, or from a beach somewhere tropical, then you've probably heard of affiliate marketing. But you might be thinking, is it still a thing? Can I actually make real money with it, especially with all the competition out there? The answer is a huge yes. In fact, as we look ahead to 2025 and 2026, the opportunities in affiliate marketing are bigger and more exciting than ever. Today, I am going to break down exactly how you can get started and build a profitable affiliate marketing business from scratch. We're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes. We're talking about a real, sustainable business model. So grab a notebook and let's dive into your ultimate guide to affiliate marketing success. First things first. What exactly is affiliate marketing? It's pretty simple. You promote other companies' products or services. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. You don't have to create products, handle inventory, or deal with customer service. You're essentially the middleman, the trusted recommender connecting great products with the people who need them. Think of it like this. You're a movie critic who gets paid every time someone buys a ticket based on your awesome review. That's the core of it. So, where do you start? The most crucial first step is choosing your niche. A niche is just a specific topic or area of interest that you'll focus on. Your passion will fuel you through the hard work ahead. Next, what's profitable? You can do some quick research. Look at affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate. See what kinds of products are being sold in your potential niche. Are there popular blogs or YouTube channels already in that space? Competition isn't a bad thing. It's a sign that there's money to be made. For 2025 and beyond, think about evergreen niches like health, wealth, and relationships, but also look at growing trends like AI tools, sustainable products, and home automation. Once you've got your niche, it's time to build your platform. This is your home base, your digital real estate, where you'll create content and build an audience. You have a few main options here. The most traditional is a blog or a niche website. This is my personal favorite because you own it completely. You're not at the mercy of some social media algorithm changing overnight. You can create detailed articles, product reviews, and how-to guides that rank on Google and bring you organic traffic for years. These are fantastic for building a community quickly, especially in visual niches like fashion, food, or home decor. With Instagram and TikTok, you can use link in bio tools to house all your affiliate links. Pinterest is a visual search engine, perfect for driving traffic back to your blog posts. The key is to pick one or two platforms to start. Don't spread yourself too thin. Master one platform, build your audience, and then you can expand. Now for the most important part, creating valuable content. This is the heart and soul of your affiliate business. People don't want to be sold to. They want help solving their problems. Your content must educate, entertain, or inspire your audience. It has to be so good that they trust your recommendations. What does that look like? If your niche is home coffee brewing, don't just write by this coffee maker. Instead, create content like the top 5 espresso machines under $200 for beginners, with a detailed breakdown of pros and cons for each. Or how to pull the perfect espresso shot at home, a step-by-step tutorial video. Be honest and authentic. Only recommend products you truly believe in. If you've used a product and loved it, share your personal experience. If there are downsides, mention them. This honesty builds immense trust. Your audience will know you have their best interests at heart, and they'll be far more likely to buy through your links. Remember, content is not a one-time thing. You need to be consistent. Whether it's one blog post a week or 2 YouTube videos, create a schedule and stick to it. This consistency signals to both your audience and search engines that you're a serious, active creator. Pahone, you've picked your niche, built your platform, and you're creating killer content. How do you actually find and join affiliate programs? This is the fun part where you connect with companies. One of the easiest places to start is the Amazon Associates program. Amazon sells almost everything, so you're likely to find relevant products no matter your niche. The commissions are on the lower side, but the conversion rates are high because everyone trusts Amazon. Beyond Amazon, there are major affiliate networks. Think of them as marketplaces that connect you, the affiliate, with thousands of merchants. Some of the biggest ones in the USA are Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction, and Rakuten Marketing. You can browse these networks for programs in your niche, see their commission rates, and apply to join. Many individual companies also have their own in-house affiliate programs. Just Google the name of a brand you love plus affiliate program. For example, Nike Affiliate Program or Bluehost Affiliate Program. These often offer higher commissions because there's no middleman network taking a cut. Now, let's talk strategy for 2025 and 2026. The landscape is always evolving. One huge trend is the shift towards promoting high-ticket affiliate products. These are products that cost more, so your commission per sale is much larger. Instead of earning $2 on a $10 book, you could earn $200 on a $1,000 course or piece of software. This means you need fewer sales to reach your income goals. Look for software, online courses, or high-end equipment in your niche. Tour. Another key strategy is building an email list. I cannot stress this enough. Your email list is your most valuable asset. Social media platforms can shut down, algorithms can change, but your email list is yours. You can use free tools to create a simple sign-up form on your website, offering a freebie like an ebook or a checklist in exchange for an email address. Then, you can build a relationship with your subscribers by sending them valuable weekly content, and you can promote your affiliate offers directly to their inbox. This is a direct, reliable line of communication with your most loyal fans. Let's put this all together into a practical action plan. Step 1. Spend this week brainstorming and researching your niche. Step 2. Next week, secure your domain name and set up your blog or create your YouTube channel. Step 3. For the first month, focus entirely on creating your first 5 to 10 pieces of high-quality content. Don't even worry about affiliate links yet. Just focus on providing value. Step 4. Once you have a foundation of content, start applying to relevant affiliate programs. Step 5. As you get approved, go back and strategically add your affiliate links into your existing content. Place them naturally where they make sense. And finally, Step 6. Promote your content and be patient. Share your blog posts on Pinterest. Talk about your YouTube videos on Instagram stories. It takes time to build traffic and authority. Don't get discouraged if you don't make thousands of dollars in your first month. This is a marathon, not a sprint. The people who succeed in affiliate marketing are the ones who are consistent, patient, and genuinely focused on helping their audience. Speed. The opportunity in affiliate marketing for 2025 and 2026 is immense. With new technologies, a growing creator economy, and more people shopping online than ever before, there has never been a better time to start. You have the power to build a business around your passion, create a life of freedom and flexibility, and make a real income online.